Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, kullu nafsin za'iqatul maut wa innama tuwaffawna ujurakum yawmal qiyamah فمن زحزح عن النار وأدخل الجنة فقد فاز وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور. Translation: every soul has to taste death, and you will be given full compensation on day of judgment for what you had earned. So those who are saved from hellfire and admitted to paradise, Jannah, shall be indeed successful, because this worldly life is nothing except comfort or enjoyment of illusion. In the previous ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained about those who did not accept Islam and who were denying Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they were given some time and some provision in this world. But in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that no matter how much time or provision humans get, the end result of all humanity is death. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this system. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made many creation, but all creation, regardless if they are humans or animals or they are plants or jinns or angels, if they are good or bad, if they are illiterate or they are scholars, they all have to die. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us that the humans will get the full compensation on Day of Judgment, meaning that they will get some compensation, or they may get some compensation in this world as well and in their graves as well, but the full compensation is not possible in this world. For example, if a man has murdered 10 man, he can only be killed once in this world. It's not possible that he may be killed 10 times in this world. So the full compensation can only be given in the Day of Judgment, and that will happen as Allah explains in this ayah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions that whoever has been saved from the hellfire and whoever has been admitted in the Jannah, he is the real successful man. No matter how he was in this world, if in this world he was feeble, he was paralyzed, or he was even deaf, dumb, or he was blind, had no money, had no power, had no nothing, no family, but in the hereafter, if he is among those who is saved from the hellfire and entering Jannah, he will be considering himself the most successful person. On the other hand, if in this world somebody is a president of a country or a big name in any field, had lots of money and lots of wealth and children and so forth, but in the Day of Judgment, if he has been put in the hellfire and does not enter the Jannah, he will consider himself the most unsuccessful and most unfortunate people among all the people. And the big reason of this fact is this, that Allah has made this life as just an illusion of enjoyment, and this is just an illusion. The things seem permanent in this life, but they are not permanent. They are very temporary. All the pleasures of this life are temporary. All the wealth, children, and position, and anything good that we can think of is temporary. Nothing is permanent, and the only permanent thing is the hereafter. Now, an important thing to understand that those people who prefer this world over the hereafter are indeed the loser, but those people who try to get this world and try to spend their earnings to earn the good deeds of hereafter, for them this world is a big treasure, because when they spend in this world, they will be returned in the hereafter. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us among those who will enter in Jannah and will be saved from hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.